Hi everyone, welcome back to Tiny Kitchen Cooks. This is Cameron, and today I'm going to be testing out some new gadgets. Some that are new to me, and some that are tested and tried and true. So let's give all three a try and see what happens. So for this video, I'm just going to be grating some Parmesan style cheese in each of our devices and see how long they take and which one comes out best. So new to me is this rotary cheese grater. It also does several other things. It has julienne slicers, it has crinkle cut slicers, and it has other attachments as well. Also for this video, I'm trying to get as much as possible the same thickness as you would have on the wide side of a box grater, similar size on a rotary grater, and about the same size in our new gadget. So let's give all three a try and see what happens. So first, we'll try the tried and true traditional box grater. Here we go. Admittedly, that's taking a little bit of elbow grease. Nearly there. All right, there we have it. Let's see how much that is. Not too bad, even though it took a while. Next up, let's try our Olive Garden style rotary grater. This is actually taking a really long time. All right, now to test out our newest gadget, the one that I got inexpensive off of AliExpress. We'll see how it works. So first, I'll press down the suction cup, which we've got here at the side. Okay, that's pretty strong. That's not moving at all. We'll use the feeder, and we'll see how it goes. I have to say, this is pretty easy, and it's going fast. All right, so I have to say, that was pretty darn fast and easy. And as you can see, it grated quite a bit in a really quick amount of time. All right, so this is what we have left in terms of yield. We've got the standard box grater here. We've got the Olive Garden style rotary grater here. And we've got our brand new AliExpress grater over here. I have to say, between the two, the box grater took a little bit more time. The rotary grater from AliExpress took almost no time at all. They have nearly the same yield. They have nearly the same finish. As you can see here, I do have to say, much to my surprise, my go-to, the Olive Garden style rotary grater, it took forever. I will say this, it's finer, but it just took so long and so much elbow grease. I don't think it's worth it unless you're just grating up a little bit of cheese at a time or just enough to put over pasta. So there we have it, folks. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe and let me know your thoughts. Have you tried these different kitchen gadgets?
Tiny Kitchen Cooks.